The last topic of this section is complementary and supplementary angles. And complementary angles add up to 90 degrees, or in radians, it's pi over 2 radians. Supplementary would be 180 degrees, or pi radians. Quick degree review. If I say, what is the complement to 5 degrees? You'd say, well, complementary angles add up to 90, so I would take 90 minus 5 and get 85 degrees. Okay, what is the supplement to 5 degrees? Say, well, supplementary angles are 180, so I take 180 minus 5, and I get 175 degrees. So complement and supplementary angles in degrees, pretty easy, okay? When you work with radians, you just have to deal with fractions a little bit more. So we're going to use the same idea to find a supplementary angle to 2 pi over 3. I have to think, well, supplementary angles add up to pi. So I'm going to take pi minus 2 pi over 3 and see what I get. If I'm going to subtract these, I need a common denominator. And since I have a 3 on the bottom here, I'd multiply by 3 over 3 to get 3 pi over 3. Then I can subtract 3 pi over 3 minus 2 pi over 3. 3 pi minus 2 pi would be pi over 3. Now for complementary angles, they have to add up to pi over 2. So I'm going to take the pi over 2, and I'll subtract the pi over 5. Since I don't have a common denominator, I need to get a common denominator, and I'm going to shoot for 10. So I'll multiply this fraction by 2 over 2, and multiply this one by 5 over 5. That would turn this into 5 pi over 10, and this into 2 pi over 10. Now that they're both over 10, I can just subtract the tops. 5 pi minus 2 pi would be 3 pi over 10.